Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into Genspark AI, a hidden gem in the world of AI search engines. Let's explore how it can revolutionize the way you search for information. Step 1. Sign up and log in. First up, let's get you set up. Go to Genspark AI and hit Sign Up. It's quick and easy. You can create your account using your email or even your Google account. Once you're signed in, we'll explore the dashboard. Step 2. Explore the dashboard. Here, you'll find a clean and user-friendly interface. The features include news briefing, fashion, offers, deep research, image studio, data search, finance, products, image gallery, and so many other features. Step 3. Start searching. Now, it's time to start searching. Let's enter our query. Best AI image generators of 2025. Simply type it into the search bar and hit enter. Genspark AI will spring into action, gathering data from various sources to create a cohesive result. Step 4. Review the Spark page. In just a moment, Genspark will generate a Spark page tailored to your query. This page will clearly summarize the information, pulling relevant insights from multiple credible sources. You'll see text, images, and even links for further exploration, perfect for getting a well-rounded view of the topic quickly. Make a copy of the Spark page so you can edit and modify its content. Step 5. Use the AI Copilot. Don't forget to utilize the AI Copilot. As you explore the Spark page, the Copilot provides suggestions for follow-up questions or related topics. It's like having a personal research assistant to guide you deeper into the subject matter. Step 6. Save and share. Finally, once you've found valuable insights, you can easily save your Spark pages for future reference. Plus, if you'd like to collaborate, sharing your findings with friends or colleagues is just a click away. Let everyone benefit from your research. And that's a quick look at Genspark AI. If you're ready to streamline your search process and dive into intelligent insights, check it out today. Thanks for watching.